Hi babes, it's David Birdwell, and today we're taking our iconic and best-selling Full-On franchise to a matte finish with our Full-On Plumping Lip Matte. Lip Matte has a stunning, suede-like finish that still delivers a plush, plump pout that BUXOM is known for. Full-On Plumping Lip Matte has specialized peptides to help promote a plump appearance, vitamin E to help soften and condition lips, hyaluronic acid spheres to help moisturize and fill, a tantalizing, cooling tingle, and a sensual sugared vanilla scent. And is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, or petroleum, and is cruelty-free. Lip Matte's unique, comfortable texture makes lips feel more plump, also appear fuller and smoother. The medium coverage shades are named after occasions, so that lips can hit the town or keep it chill, dressed in suede matte color. Thank you for joining me today, babes. I hope you enjoyed watching us getting lips decked out and Full-On Plumping Lip Matte.